Disclaimer, I'm not making fun of any bigger YouTubers who've either released a collaboration eyeshadow palette or released their own brand of eyeshadow palettes. I ain't a hater, okay? I respect every beautiful person who made their own makeup palettes because I ain't a beautiful person and I don't know about that life. I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat something now. Bye. P.S. Subscribe before even watching the video because that makes sense. OMG guys, so stay till the end of the video because I have a big announcement which you already read in the title. Like OMG, I'm so excited to tell you guys and I'll show you after the DIY. So I'm barely gonna talk in this tutorial because like I'm too lazy for that. I'm such a dork, like OMG. OMG. Big announcement. OMG, now time for palette reveal. I know I spelled this wrong, but I'm so trendy and relatable that I don't care. OMG! So I have two eyeshadow palettes. One is by myself, which is this one, Colored Pencils eyeshadow palette by Katie's Crafts. So here are all the shades. We have Baby Blue, Spring Green, Candy Floss, Cocoa Brown, Sunshine, Burgundy, Amber, Leaf, and Fuchsia. By your favorite, Katie's Crafts. Now, let's do your eyeshadow. Now let's get a bit of Baby Blue, like on the lid, then maybe a bit of Spring Green, like on top, and then a bit of Candy Floss, like all over. Then maybe a little bit of Fuchsia on the inner corner, then a load of Sunshine in the cut crease. Pour that. And now let's do a bit of brown on the outside. Oh, yas. Okay, So do you like it? You better love it. So, I'm glad you stayed till the end of the video because now I have more watch time. Yay! Well, I didn't say that. Like, why do you think I said that? Like, OMG. OMG, guys. So, next, I had a collaboration with Copic. OMG. Like, of course, this is the real brand. Like, of course, they reached out to a small YouTuber like me. OMG. So, they're inspired by my Copics. So here they are. Here's Orv04, or 29, or 27, Y or 07, YOG, YG06, G17, BG09, B05, B29, V09, BV08, E29, and 100, and it's called Katie X Copic Swatches, and it's by your favorite YouTuber, Katie's Crafts. OMG. So, I spelled that one wrong, so I had to cover that up, but that's okay. One like equals one prayer for my education. So let's do a really cute look here. So let's dip into some greenish blues and more greens. Like, OMG. Guys, I have a palette with Copic. Even though Copic isn't a real makeup brand, I still somehow made it work. Like, OMG. That says Katie's Crafts. Come on, don't look at me like that. Every time I see one of those videos, I always die inside. Because, do you see how overexcited and over-exaggerating all those booty gurus always seem when they release an eyeshadow palette? Like, it's crazy. Now, I'm not trying to hate on anyone who's made a palette, because, like, I'll never do that, because I ain't ever gonna be that famous. But, I'm still gonna try. I just wanted to make a parody of it, because I thought of this really good idea to, like, know what colors of, like, markers or whatever look nice. So, I think it's a really good idea if you have, like, Copics, for example, and you can do some swatches in a fake eyeshadow palette. And it's a really fun DIY anyway, so yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, like OMG. Bye bye, guys. I'm sorry.